Here's my 6 steps on how to throw the lead uppercut, which is the number 5. Start in our boxing stance. Every punch starts from the foot, so we start from our left foot. We come up the chain, which is step 2. Push that power up the chain. Step 3, hip wants to come out and up. Out and up. Okay, that's where we get the upward motion. It's by pushing the hip up. Step 4 is your first wants to be over your elbow. Okay, you don't want to be here. You keep that first over the elbow. Step 5, right hand protects, left shoulder protects. And step 6 is we always come back to our original boxing stance. So that's my 6 steps on how to throw the lead uppercut.